Hey there, I'm going to show you a feature in groups that you may not realize exists. And if you make this mistake, it is something that can cost you a lot of time. So I'm going to show you this in hopes that saves you some time in the future. So if I go into groups, this is how I got to this screen. I went to course tools, groups, and then it's this screen that has been brought up. So I have 8 groups that are listed here. And you see there's a members column, an assignment column, discussions, and then locker. I didn't associate any lockers with these, so that's why you see nothing there. As far as discussions, I have one discussion group assigned here, and it's the critique group. And then you also can see that the assignment that I have associated with these groups is a trip back in time project critique. So that's the one assignment that is associated there. So what can happen is, let's say that you're in the time of year that you are creating groups, and maybe you've even pulled in groups from another course, meaning that these over here will exist, but your members will be empty because they've been pulled in from another course. And let's say that you just want to start from scratch and you want to edit all those groups. Be very leery about how you do that. So this is where the time saver comes in. Right now, this is associated with this group assignment. If I were to go and I were to click on this whole column and delete all of these groups, you're going to see that it is going to delete 8 assignments, and then it says 0 discussion topics, just because I hadn't assigned any students to that, but it would delete that as well. So I'm going to actually cancel out of this because I don't want to do that. If that were to happen, I would have to rebuild this assignment all over again from scratch. It would be completely gone from your course. Let's say that you just want to get rid of one group. That is still going to give you the same error message. I can still delete that one group, but it actually does not delete my assignment as a whole. It's if you delete all of them, it would delete this assignment as a whole. So instead, you would either want to go into the groups individually and manually change them and enroll the users and make your switches there, do whatever it is that you need to do there. Or you would want to go to the assignment. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to that actual team assignment. So remember, it said that assignment that was associated is a trip back in time project critique. If I edit this assignment and I go in here to this drop down menu, I can just click and make it an individual assignment. As far as the category, that's not going to matter. It's this assignment type that you really want to be aware of. Then if I go back into my groups, you can see that that's been taken out. So now if I want to, I can delete these and it still would delete the discussion group, and that's something you have to be aware of too, but it's not going to delete that assignment. So I hope this helps. You really just want to be careful, because if you have 5 or 6 assignments attached to this and you go in and you delete all these groups, all 5 or 6 of those assignments are going to be gone and having to be rebuilt. So just be very aware of that feature, that you're not just removing the groups, you're actually also removing the assignments. I hope this helps to save you a little bit of time.